Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's like we're in Japan too, right?
Yeah, it's
you were thinking we're in America. Got my Toge completion stickers right here, so super cool. Completed this one. I can't even. It is super hot, but we're about to make first real Toge pass run right now. Hopefully we don't run into traffic. Man, it is crazy, crazy hot, but it's gonna be fun. So I got the 34 GT-R right behind me, about to head on, got the cameras all set, about to make this happen. Should be super cool. All different kind of angles for you. Running through a Japanese Toge here in Japan. So these are all Tokyo, near Tokyo, so it's not too far. We're about to make these runs right now, and should be good. Super hot. That's why I got the AC running like crazy. So sorry if you hear AC. As we cool down a little bit, we'll turn it down. It is hot. Ultra hot, ultra humid. Not only hot, just super humid. That's the killer right there. But it's all good. Alright, so we're gonna need to go right. Can hear me.
No. Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's like we're in Japan too, right?
Yeah, it's
you were thinking we're in America.
Sorry.
It's all good. We're starting the first official Toge run. The last one I did, there was so much traffic, so I can't even call it a Toge run. It's such a beautiful area, driving by Okatama Lake. Very, very pretty area, especially on a day like today, sunny. Although it's super humid, it looks beautiful. I think this would be a great place to come to, like in the spring when it's a little bit cooler, or in the fall as well, when all the leaves are turning colors. I think it'd be super beautiful. This particular area is a lot of tight corners. It's not like a super fast Toge or anything like that. You know, it's not like you can really cook it through here, but you can still drive spirited. You can see this beautiful, beautiful lake right here, the Okatama Lake. This place is absolutely gorgeous. A lot of people come here. That's why there's so much traffic getting here, because so many people want to be in this area. But it's super cool to take this such an iconic vehicle, the R34 GT-R, through a Toge here in Japan. In the US, we do a lot of canyon driving, but you know, it's not the same. We do it because it's like here, but it's not the same. Just saw a cool 180 SX yellow one pass by. There's a lot of JDM vehicles, you know, that we'll see probably around this area. People just driving the Toges, having fun, chilling. We'll probably run into a little bit of traffic, which we're doing right now. Eventually get by them. But you can enjoy the beautiful scenic views.
Yeah, right.
clear. It was clear. Nobody was here. It was great. But it was like later, and it is like 5 o'clock or so, midday 6. It's later during the week as well. I don't think it's all weekend. Yeah, during the week. Like a Thursday or so. Maybe Friday. I can't remember. I think it was Thursday, actually. It was like a Thursday. completions in 300 meters. Fought a little bit of traffic. Had to wait till they moved up a little bit. Had to pause and then keep going. It's all good. I wish the roads were ours, but they're not.
Oh, there it is. Right.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's the signs on park right here.
Yeah, I think so.
Toge is completed, and now it's time to get our Toge sticker. Now, where is it? I think it's inside of this place called Riders Cafe. So it's open till about 5 p.m. and it's definitely well before 5 p.m. So we're gonna run in here and grab our Toge sticker.
はい、わかりました。合計で8、6、8枚ですね。はい。ありがとうございます。
Grabbing these, just doing a little bit of translation to grab these Toge stickers for my Toge completion. Super cool meeting those guys in there. So got my Toge completion stickers right here. So super cool, completed this one. I can't even begin to pronounce the name of it, but you will see it in the name of the video, name and description, all that stuff. I'm not gonna begin to pronounce what this Toge is, but look how beautiful this is here. These mountain passes here. I mean, it's not like the brown California crap we got. This way is beautiful green right here in the summer. I mean, what is it, September now? Like, oh man, it's so nuts, so beautiful. But I'm so happy completed this Toge right here. I'm gonna get these stickers on here eventually. I'm just collecting a bunch of them before I start putting them on the car. They'll all go there or they'll go back there. I don't know, I'll figure out exactly what will happen, but yeah, it's cool. Just enjoy the views, the mountain passes. We got some more Toges to go in the next couple videos, so stay tuned for that. Should be good.